Friends, today I'm going to give my review of a recently released movie on Netflix, Gunjan Saxena. Gunjan Saxena is about a small girl, Gunju as her family calls her, who dreams to become a pilot and how her family reacts to the same. Her father who supports her in this endeavor, her mother who insists and visits a Panditji to, in a way she could dissuade her from becoming a pilot. Her brother who also tells her, and then when she tells her brother she wants to become a pilot, she said, or a girl doesn't become a pilot, they become an air hostess. So this is the movie is about patriarchy, about one girl's dream to be a pilot and how her father supports her and pushes her to follow that dream. Gunjan Saxena, you must have all seen from the trailer, is about a Kargil hero, a first woman combat pilot of Indian Air Force who ran sorties during the Kargil, bringing back the injured soldiers from the field to the hospitals. So it's a struggle. It's a struggle to fight the patriarchy. It's a struggle to join the all boys force of Indian Air Force and how she manages it all. It is not about the war. It is the human story of Gunjan Saxena. So while she's there, she joins Air Force with all her caliber. She faces patriarchy, not not like a in a demeaning way, but something which is inbuilt subconsciously. So there's in the boys' locker room in the Indian Air Force base at Pathankot. So they have the locker room has posters of girls, which they eventually removed because she's joining. The boys are dancing to, based in the 90s, the boys are dancing to Choli ke piche kya hai, and she feels left out and doesn't feel welcome in that scenario. And how she manages all, she's not allowed to fly sorties, not allowed to train properly, but in spite of that, her father holds her hand and ensures she fulfills her dreams and makes up for it. So it's the story of a father-daughter duo and their love, the brother trying to protect his sister. So incidentally, the father is an ex-army man. The brother is also an army. In spite of all that, they know how many hurdles as a first combat pilot their sister Gunjan is going to face. This is that story. This is the whole plot, and in the end, you see her fighting and flying a helicopter in the Himalayan range and bringing back soldiers. So this movie, the plot is all this about. Gunjan Saxena, played ably by Janhvi Kapoor, she's exceptional. You feel vulnerable. She feels vulnerable. You can feel her inner strength and her doubts. She plays to the part. She plays and fits the part at T. Her father, Pankaj Tripathi, is what any daughter would want a father to be. Supporting her in all her dreams, no matter what. Mother, like a typical Indian mother, is cared for her daughter. Brother, played by Angad Bedi, is again a very good character, who's again trying to protect his sister from the big boys world of Indian Air Force. So how they do all that, and in spite of that, in spite of all this, how she overcomes the hurdle, patriarchy, all boys club of Indian Air Force, and she fights and manages name for herself. Go watch this movie. After a long time, Netflix or any of the OTT platforms is a movie which has no ifs and buts. If only there is a problem with this movie, the songs, which aren't too great, but luckily they're all in the background. They support the story. They don't bring the story to they don't put a comma or a full stop in the story. Running time of less than 2 hours. It's a very good movie. It's tight. The screenplay is tight. You don't feel lost out. You don't feel to hold the remote or catch your mobile to do something else while watching this movie. So go and watch it, enjoy it. Directed by a first-time director. It's a beautiful movie. Recently, Indian Air Force has come out with, they've objected to the way Indian Air Force has been projected in this movie. I don't know the reality. The movie luckily doesn't play to jingoism. The patriotism, it's just there, inbuilt patriotism. There is no jingoism. There is no shouting, and there is no Jai Bharat Mata Ki Jai, which we all are proud of. But जबरदस्ती के jingoism नहीं है इस movie में. There are no overplay of emotions. Everything is done subtly, beautifully. Go enjoy this movie. Highly recommended. Weekend watch. Release तो कल ही हो गई थी. So weekend करें ना करें 2 घंटे की मूवी है. रात को आप 9 बजे चालू करेंगे, 11 बजे भी खत्म हो जाएगी. So you can watch like a weekday also. Go enjoy it. Go and enjoy this movie for Gunjan Saxena. Go and enjoy this movie for Janhvi Kapoor and Pankaj Tripathi. It's a beautiful movie. Go enjoy. Love to have your feedback for the same. I have a YouTube channel where I post my reviews. I would love if you can subscribe to the same, and your feedback would always be welcome. Thank you.